Hey there, welcome back. My name is Chand and in this video we will talk about message readers and message writers. So let's get started. Now friends, when it comes to reading a message or writing the message, it's a very important thing when it comes to RESTful API. What is the reason? Understand there is a client and there is a server. We don't know which technology is used for server, which technology is used for client. A client might be using C#, whereas the server is written in maybe Spring MVC, right? That is very much possible when it comes to RESTful API. As far as both client and server know how to communicate with each other, they are good to go. How it is possible? Because both these client and server can follow a common protocol. May it be XML or may it be JSON, right? There could be like different media type again, but we will consider XML and JSON as of now. Now, for example, we have a message, right, which we need to read. Now this message is in a JSON format and we need to convert this to a custom object. How it is possible? Definitely this is possible because we have a message writer. Likewise, whenever we are sending some information, we need to also write or convert the information to the appropriate format. So this conversion of data to a appropriate format is nothing but conversion, and this conversion is possible because of message readers and writer. That's it. So message reader and message writer are heart of a RESTful API because they make it possible to send the data using a specific format. Now in our next video we will definitely check how to implement a custom message writer, and we will check if we don't implement a custom writer, then what happens for specific objects. So something interesting is coming up in our next video, and do try to Google more about message readers and writer. It will definitely help you out, but the information which is given in this video is good enough for now. In our forthcoming videos, we will deal more about message readers, writer, and moreover, we will also talk about param converters, query params, and couple of more interesting and advanced topics. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. This is Chand signing off.